the Delhi High Court has rejected a plea filed against PM Modi seeking his disqualification from contesting the elections. The Delhi High Court said that the plea is devoid of merits. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. This comes amid the time when there are complaints to the Election Commission of India against Prime Minister Modi after his communal remark which he made during a public meeting in Rajasthan. Recently, the Congress party had also moved the Election Commission of India against Prime Minister Modi's infiltrator remark. Talking about this plea, which was rejected by the Delhi High Court today, so this plea was filed by a lawyer, Anand S. Jondale, over the alleged violation of Model Code of Conduct by Prime Minister Modi. The plea had sought disqualification of Prime Minister Modi from contesting any elections for a period of 6 years. Lawyer Anand S. Jondale had referred to Prime Minister Modi's speech in Uttar Pradesh Pilibhit on April 9, where he has alleged that Prime Minister Modi sought votes in the name of God and place of worship, Hindu deities and Hindu place of worships, and Sikh deities and Sikh place of worship. Lawyer Jondale has argued that PM Modi violated the Model Code of Conduct in Compendium of Instructions. In the plea, Jondale stated that Prime Minister Modi said that he has constructed the Ram Temple, developed the Kartarpur Sahib corridor, removed GST from materials used in langars served in Gurudwaras, and brought back copies of Guru Granth Sahib from Afghanistan. The plea further said that Prime Minister Modi has made comments against opposition political parties' leader for allegedly favoring Muslims. Lawyer Jondale said that these remarks by PM Modi creates hatred and promotes disharmony in the country. The petitioner even mentioned that he had approached the Election Commission of India with a prayer to register an FIR against PM Modi under Section 153A of Indian Penal Code for promoting enmity between groups. Jondale seek from Election Commission of India the disqualification of PM Modi from contesting elections for 6 years, but the Election Commission of India seek no action. The Delhi High Court was of view today that the plea against PM Modi is thoroughly misconceived since the petitioner has presupposed that there has been violation of MCC. The court further observed that it is not permissible for the court to direct the Election Commission of India to take a particular view on any complaint. Election Commission of India had also issued notice to BJP President JP Nadda. Election Commission of India in their notice had directed him to ensure that the star campaigner to set high standards of political discourse and observe provisions of Model Code of Conduct. However, no action has been taken against Prime Minister Modi by Election Commission of India over his communal remarks. There was just a notice served to the BJP President JP Nadda without mentioning Prime Minister Modi's name directly. Election Commission of India has not directly called out PM Modi. And today the Delhi High Court has rejected the plea against Prime Minister Modi. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the latest updates on elections. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.